I don't know what's next in the store after list and tuples. Hey John, our next topic is set. Before starting, I would like to know if you are feeling confident in lists and tuples or not. Yes, I am now confident in using list and tuples in Python. Can we get started? Yes, of course, let's start. What is a set? A set is an unordered collection of values that are changeable but does not allow duplicates. Sets is defined by values in curly braces separated by commas. Operations like union, intersection can be performed in a set. Like list and tuples, set can also have value of any data type, slightly different from list and tuples. Yes, it is. There may be few questions arising in your mind. Let me try to answer them. Can we remove the values from a set? Yes, using remove function. Can we append the set? Yes, using add function. Can we do a slicing in set? No, since set is an unordered, slicing is not possible. Let's have a hands-on session for more clarity. Yes, let's go and see how set works and is used in Python. Hello guys, welcome to this hands-on session on set. In this session, we will go through basic details about set, how we define it in Python, and what are the different functionalities present in a set. So let's get started. The first thing is how we define a set. So in order to define a set, we make use of the curly brackets. So the values present in our curly brackets will be a part of your set. So here you can see I have a variable s having the values of 1, 2 and high present in my curly brackets. So if I check my type of the variable s, it will be my set. One more thing about set is we can have values of any data type. So there is no restrictions that we should have only one data type present in a set. We can have values of multiple data types. Now in a set we cannot have the duplicates. Even if we initialize a variable, initialize a set having the duplicate values, when we print the output, Python will automatically ignore those duplicates. So in this I have set s1 having values 1, 1, 2 and high. So here you can see I have 1 present twice here, that is 1 is duplicated. Now if I run this code and print the output of my set, Python will automatically remove the duplicate and it will print 1 only once here. You can see at the end we have 1, 2 and high as my output, as my set. Now as set is an unordered collection, so we cannot access the elements present in a set using the indexing values which we do it in lists and tuples. So that's one of the limitations we have in set, that we cannot access the elements as well as we cannot perform the slicing in a set. Even if I try accessing the elements using the indexing values, let's see what is the error that we will get. Here you can see we get the error as type error, saying that set object is not subscriptable. Now in Python set we can perform the union and intersections also. Let us see how we can perform union. So I have two sets here, x and y, having in x I have 1, 2, 3 and in y I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So like we discussed before, that a set cannot have a duplicates value. So even if we perform the functions like union or intersections, at the end Python will ignore all the duplicates also, even if we are doing a union or intersection. So here you can see I have a duplicate value of 3 present in my set x and y both. So if I do a union between x and y, and the set that we get after performing our union function will ignore the duplicates and will have my values 3 only once. So I have set z having where I am doing performing the union between x and y. So union is performed using the keyword union here. So if I run this code, you see my set z is only having values 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. So it ignored it had only it printed 3 only once, not twice. Now let's see how we can add values in a set. So in order to add values in a set, we make use of the add keyword, add function, followed by the value that we want to add in that set. So here in this case I want to add value 19, so I used add function, and let's see whether it got added or not. You can see I have value 19 added in my set z. Now for removing the values from a set, we use remove function followed by the value that we want to remove from the set. So here I want to remove value 8 from a set z, so I use remove function and value 8. So let's run this code and see. You can see we got the value 8 removed from our set z. So that was all about set, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it and found it informative. We looked into Python set in this video. In the next video, we will go through the dictionary. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can meet me and Bruno regularly. Please do write to me if you have any questions or queries or suggestions for me or Reno. Till then, goodbye, stay safe, stay healthy. This is John signing off.